Tommy waits at the station. A magical Christmas train arrives with bright shining lights. He receives a glowing golden ticket. It shows Santa's hat and sparkles gently. Tommy climbs the train. Inside he sees warm lights, decorated trees, and happy music. The conductor smiles and says the train carries Christmas joy to every village tonight. The Christmas star, guiding Santa, loses its light and falls from the sky. Christmas is in danger. Tommy offers to help. The conductor nods. They leave the station through snowy mountains. The train enters a sparkling forest. Tiny magical creatures wave as the train passes. They find the Christmas star trapped in a tree. Its light is weak and dim. Tommy climbs carefully and frees the star. The conductor and creatures cheer loudly. The star shines brightly again. Its golden light spreads across the snowy sky quickly. The train reaches every village. Children see the star and cheer for Christmas joy. Tommy returns home. He smiles as the Christmas train disappears into the sparkling winter sky. Moral of the story: bravery and teamwork can bring light and happiness to everyone, even in darkness.